Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to change SIM card name on Qnet Mobile C32. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. And okay guys, you all have to do is go to setting in your Qnet Mobile C32. In settings, tap the network and internet. In network and internet, you can see this SIM card. Okay, go to SIM card. And SIM card, you can see the name of the SIM card is TNT. And to change it, you'll have to do is tap the SIM card. You want to change the name. And okay, here, the SIM name is TNT. Now you can change it. Okay. And okay guys, I changed into my name. Okay. So I changed into Chad. Then after you change the name, you'll have to do to save the SIM card name is tap the OK button. And that's it. We have successfully changed the SIM card name on my Qnet Mobile C32. And if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.